Good morning, classmate. My report is about advanced analytic and computational rate optimization. First, let's talk about what is advanced analytic. Advanced analytic is a variety of impact techniques that can benefit companies. They make a strategic decisions to improve their operation, development, and bottom line. At its core, advanced analytics is really just a collection of data, analytic techniques, and methodologies. What are the types of advanced analytic? First is predictive modeling. Pair of machine learning and data mining to forecast potential future outcome using both and current and historical data. Data mining is a process of identifying trends, patterns, and anomalies. Within this dataset, to accomplish this task, data mining also employs a combination of statistic, machine learning, and AI. Sentiment analysis, mine text and uses, natural languages, processing, identify whether the data is negative, positive, or neutral. This technique can help business understand how their brand might be perceive potential customer. Cluster analysis is a process to analyzing data to identify the cluster of related data point. Typically, is the use of classified data in machine learning is supervised algorithm. Cohort analysis. Cohort analysis breaks large volume of data into classified related groups or cohort. Open business use these techniques to break down the customer information into a specific segments. Visual data is a graphic or picture representation of data. This common data analytic practice seek to convey findings through easily understood and visual representation. Complex event processing is a method that tracks analyzing data in real time in order to derive actionable conclusion. And the last is machine learning. It's a form of artificial intelligence concerned with the building analytic modeling capable of autonomous learning to create a machine learning model. What are the benefits of data analytics? First is improved forecasting. One of the primary reasons the business use advanced analytics to forecast the future outcome at more granular level than the possible traditional method. Second, providing strategic guidance. Advanced analytics can identify potential courses of actions for business faced with a certain future. Using predictive modeling and analyzing complex and marketing dynamics, advanced analytics can help business to make more strategic decisions. Reducing bias. Cognitive bias is well known as a psychological phenomenon which can negatively impact decision making in both business and life. Decrease risk. Risk is inherent in aspect of running business or starting a new endeavor. What is the uses of advanced analytics? First, it detects fraud. Second, it improves marketing strategy. And the third is identify growth opportunities. Now let's talk about conversion rate optimization. Conversion rate optimization is the core of any successful digital marketing strategy, as you increase the percentage of visitors who make desired actions on your website. What are the benefits of CRO? First, understand the customer better. Second, improve customer on-site experience. Third, maximize your pay-per-click spend. Fourth, maximize sales and increase an ROI. And these are the 8 effective CRO tactics. Optimize user experience. Optimize your messaging. Use buyer persona to understand your customer. Optimize based on hard data. Use SMART goal for CRO. Test your CRO strategies. Conduct competitor research and conduct user research. Now, let's talk about optimize user experience. According to AWS, 88% of online shoppers said they wouldn't return to the website after having a bad user experience. To improve UX, consider these tactics. Optimize the layout of your website to ensure the most compelling, interesting content is visible in priority areas. Be mindful of user device, preference, and visitor, and conversion and optimize the page experience to suit mobile and desktop devices as needed. Add site research. Consider using a live chat. Use pop-up sparing. Add more or better social proof, such as customer review, a user-generated content to increase credibility. Improve UX online form and improve CTA. Test your site speed and tackle some common issues. On e-commerce page, make it easy to customer to buy from you. Ensure they don't need to log in to start shopping. Be sure to send a follow-up emails to customer with abandoned chart. Often incentives such as free shipping for a limited time. Optimize your messaging. When it comes to optimizing messaging, first you need to review your body persona. Make sure you understand the customer and aware their needs, wants, intention. Use buyer persona to understand your customer. To improve your customer experience on your website, encourage them to convert. It's critical to not understand and motivate them and what your product to do, and you can build a persona to help them to uncover the information to apply it in your content. Site layout and CTA. A buyer persona profile is ideal customer to develop a buyer persona with customer review. Ask customer questions via poll and survey. Look at customer data. Engage the customer, prospect, and conversation. Optimize based on data, hard data. Optimize based is high quality data, not a feeling, emotions, instinct. You can use analytic tool like Google Analytics to generate hard data on your bounce rate, exit pages, cost per conversation, and other key metrics, and create an actions optimizing this area. Bounce rate. Bounce rate is generally an accept of being anything above 56%. If your bounce rate is fall into a category, address it immediately. Focus on your main page and try to improve the content. Exit page. Use analytic tool to identify the exit pages. Then try to figure out why people are leaving your site. You can do this by analyzing the content by exit page, improving that you're more relevant to visitor. Cost per page. If you set up conversion tactics or analytic tool, you can track how much each conversation on your website costs. You can use a metric to decide the value of money per marketing spend. Use SMART goal for CRO. Always set SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goal to help you improve CRO performance. For example, don't say your goal to increase conversation. Do say your goal to increase conversation by 10% next month by implementing a target email campaign. Test your CRO strategies. You can use both A and B and multivariate testing to test your CRO strategies. Best result you can use is both test type together. A and B test is also known as split test. It allows you to directly compare the different elements on a two-web page. This test is particularly useful for testing headlines, call to actions, image, or copy. Multivariate test implies multivariations of multiple elements on your website. The goal of the test is to determine which combination of variation perform best. Remember, like anything else in digital marketing, CRO testing is not a one-off activity. It is an interactive process that requires time to demonstrate results. You can use a variety of tools to help you conduct your tests. Three popular tools to testing changes in your site included Google Optimizing, BW testing, and Instapage. Next is conduct competitor research. To access the competitor on a spontaneous basis, find out the tactics are working for them. Your goal is not to copy them, their high-performing target strategies, techniques, but to be an inspiration to them and put a new twist on your own activities. Content audit. A content audit helps you to find out what kind of content our competitor are sharing with their audience. You compare their content strategy on your own. SEO audit. SEO audit involves investigation of keyword or examining their overall SEO strategy. And social media audit. To conduct a social media audit of your competitor, simply follow them on your social media site and monitor their posts, content, and social activities. Conduct a user research. Your goal is to type of research to find out exactly how visitors interact on your website. You also want to know how you get your website intentional. Essentially, find out the encounter or any obstacles while you're using your website. And the best tool of user research for CRO. You need to different tools to use them, including SEO tools like Screaming Pig, analytic tools such as Google Analytics, or find out the visitors do in your site, heat mapping, or mouse tracking tools such as Hogarth and Visible. The best practice of user research for CRO. Avoid rabbit holes, be clear of your scope, research, and make your plan. Look and overlap the sources. Approve overlap between the various data sources and take an eye. Analyze your competitor's approach. Documents your findings. Boast your conversations and drive data and sales. As marketer, we all know the important is to create a landing pages and engage consumer and prompt them to take an actions. Understand how the digital marketing tactics including content marketing, SEO, email marketing, discover, recognize, or certification to help you track and retain customer in any business. And that's all. Thank you.